Sandy Hook Yachts was introduced to Marex by Chris Hughes. Chris is a previous owner of MJM Yachts, and being the pedigree that we've had and our heritage with Sabre Yachts, MJM is also of that pedigree as well. When Chris found opportunity for us to partner and sink our teeth into, that being Marex Yachts, a brand that's been around for 50 years and has the same heritage and background that Sabre and Sandy Hook has here domestically, but over in Europe. We would love the opportunity to partner and bring them over to the United States. So when I think about Marex as a company, that heritage, which is an important word, and what it brings to its clientele over in Europe, it's with avid boaters, new cutting-edge features, and people that stand behind the company. All those things from Marex really lend to what we want and what we are to our clientele. So I look for those similarities first and foremost, and I think Marex brings those over in spades. And I'm really excited to bring new products and features that really hasn't been adapted in the US market yet, but makes absolute total sense. So the first models that we're going to have coming over are going to be the 310, 330, and 360. They're going to be arriving between December, so very soon, and January 2025. We have many appointments already set, a lot of interest generated, and we can't wait to get on the water with these boats. When I look at Marex and why this is a partnership that we both pursued, said heritage numerous times, but when we look at a brand that we could build off of, we look towards the future and the next 25, 30, 40, 50 years, and to have a sustainable, growing company that's healthy, has the ability to support our team and develop new clientele into boating and get them to stick in boating and have them be able to come in with not so much an entry-level boat, but a 31-footer, move up to the 37, move up to the 44. I'm just very excited as to having another cornerstone brand for Sandy Hook Yacht Sales for the next 40 and 50 years.